morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Yes, kiddos, open your math file. Take out page number 5. Today we will do page number 5. You have already learned how to write 1 to 20. Now we will move forward. Today we are going to learn counting from 21 to 30. From 21 to 30. Remember children, you have to write and speak also all together. Now I am going to write. You have to take your pencil, hold it properly, start with me. Write 2, 1, 21. Speak together also. Write 2, 1, 21. I have done. Now it's your turn to write 2, 1, 21. Now come to the next number. The next number is 2, 2, 22. I am going to write next number 2, 3, 23. Now tell me what comes after 2, 3, 23. Yes, 2, 4, 24. Write it fast. 2, 4, 24. What come after 24? 2, 5, 25. Write with me. 2, 5, 25. The next number is 2, 6, 26. Now, which number I am going to write next? Yes, tell me fast. Yes, 2, 7, 27. Write 2, 7, 27. I am going to write 2, 8, 28. Watch me carefully. What I am going to write next? Yes, 2, 9, 29. 2, 9, 29. What come next? Tell me fast. 3, 0, 30. Now we have done all dotted numbers. You have to write yourself without dots. So are you ready? Yes, then start writing. We will start from 2, 1, 21. The next number is 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 2, 22. First you have to speak the number, then you have to write. Okay, now what come after 2, 2, 22? Tell me fast. Yes, 2, 3, 23. Write 2, 3, 23. What you have to write next? Yes, 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. First you have to speak, then you have to write. Okay, what come next? 2, 5, 25. Write 2, 5, 25. Are you writing? Yes, you have to write neat and clean. What the next? Yes, 2, 6, 26. Speak with me. 2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27. Tell me fast, what come after 2, 7, 27? Yes, 2, 8, 28. Write 2, 8, 28. Are you writing? Yes. Do it fast. Your pencil should be dark. 2, 9, 29. The next is 3, 0, 30. We have written from counting 2, 1 to 30. Now we will practice more how to write 2, 1, 21, 2, 3, 0, 30. Are you ready to do more work? Yes. Now we will practice the same number for more practice. Are you ready? Then start with me. Write 2, 1, 21. Move fast. 2, 2, 22. Remember, you have to speak first, then you have to write. Okay? Now write 2, 3, 23. The next number is 2, 4, 24. Now what I am going to write after 2, 4, 24? Yes, 2, 5, 25. Write 2, 5, 25. What come after 25? 2, 6, 26. First you have to speak, then you have to write, and it should be neat and clean. Write 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. Now what I am going to write next? Speak fast. Yes, 2, 9, 29. The next is 3, 0, 30. Have you done till here? Now we will start one more. Now we will write one more column. We will start from 21 to 30, 30. Start with me. Write 2, 1, 21. The next number is 2, 2, 22. Are you doing? You have to do fast and proper. Write 2, 3, 23. The next number I am going to write is 2, 4, 24. Now, which number is going to next? Yes, 2, 5, 25. Speak after me. The next number is 2, 6, 26. You have to speak first, then you have to write. Our next number is 2, 7, 27. Now it's your turn to write. Complete it fast. Now again I am writing. Which number? Tell me which number? Yes, 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. Now what come next? Speak. Speak loudly. Yes, 2, 9, 29. I'm going to write the last one. 3, 0, 30. I have completed my whole page. Have you done? Yes, show it to me. I'm waiting for you. Yes, excellent. Yes, tiny tots, move to page number 6. Today we are going to do an activity which is tricky but interesting. Let's look at the board. Can you see the picture? Yes, tell me how many penguins are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 penguins. What they are doing? We have to find out what they are doing. You can see some numbers over here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have to join them in order to get what they are doing. So ready? Take your pencil. We will join the dots to get the picture. Start with me. Put your pencil on number 1. Join with number 2. You have to move in order. So what come after 2? Number 3. Move to number 3. Then we have to look what number come after 3. Yes, 4. Then move. Which number come after 4? Then move to number 4. I am going to join number 3 with number 4. Then number 5. You have to move in order. What come after 5? Then what come after 6? What comes after 5? What come after 6? What comes after 6? Now join. Now we will move from number 5 to number 6. Then we will move to number 7. Now what we have to do next? We will move forward to number 8. Then 9. Come to the next number. Join it. Number 9 to number 10. Now can you tell me which picture is formed? Yes, it's a skateboard. Here penguins are enjoying their skating on the ice. Have you all done till here? Now we will proceed to the next picture. Now tell me what you can see over here. You can see a monkey. Yes, he's hanging over a tree and eating a banana. And the next picture, which is incomplete and have some numbers. Again, we will join the number to get a picture. Are you excited to do this activity? Are you excited to do this activity? Yes, then take your pencil and start joining the numbers. Now hold your pencil, proceed to the next picture. Put your pencil on number 1. Now what come after 1? We have to join that number. Yes, 2. Then we will join number 1 to number 2. Then what come after number 2? 3. So move from number 2 to 3. So you have to move in order from 1, 2, 3, then number 4. Move to number 4. Then join number 4 with 5. Similarly, you have to move to number 6. You already know what come after 6. Yes, 7. Then move to number 7. Then you can see number 8. Join number 7 with 8. Our picture is going to complete. Yes, what come after 8? 9. Move to number 9. Then the last one is 10. Now we can recognize the picture. Now tell me what you can see. Yes, it's a polar bear. You can color it also. Enjoyed this activity? Yes, very good.